Went back into this last night, opened this all the way to this wall kind of thing, and I totally butchered the face out of the box muffler because this one doesn't come in half to get the baffle box out, so I kind of just tried to match it as best I could to this shape of like where it has space to breathe into. Which is ugly as sin. Before I just kind of teardropped out the stock holes, and that was it. Other than taking the bottom out of the baffle box, but now instead of just trying to go out the bottom, it can just go straight into there and out. Still not a very big hole. Hopefully I like that better.